Hey there, I'm Dave from Home Pro Kitchen and Bath. We're working on another project here in Southeast Ocala. This is a customer we previously did a kitchen for, and they had some issues with this bathroom, so we're going to go ahead and take care of that. The vanity had a couple leaks with the drain and with the supply lines, so we're going to be replacing that. Over here for the shower, their old mixing valve sprung a leak from one of the supply lines, so we quickly patched that with some shark bites, and then we're going to be tearing this whole thing out, replumbing everything anyway. This is a pretty standard job for us these days. We would like to see this job done in 2 to 3 days, maybe 4. That includes flooring, vanity, countertop, mirror, light, full shower with a nice set of custom glass doors. And we're going to take you through that step by step. We're back. We've got the shower base installed, nice and flat as it should be. We've got all the plumbing squared away. It's currently pressure testing, so we're going to let that be. Next, we're throwing in some additional studs for those nice custom shower doors we're doing later, and then we'll start working on the waterproofing. So we've got the shower walls up. I've got the inlay in that's setting up. I just grabbed my measurements for our custom doors that we're going to be putting in here later. So now, while this is done, I'm going to start focusing on the rest of the bathroom. First, we're going to chip up the flooring. Then we're going to install the cabinet, install some vinyl plank, and then the toilet last. I just grabbed measurements for the custom glass that we're going to be ordering here in a second. While this is setting, we're going to start working on the rest of the bathroom. So I'm going to be chipping up the rest of this flooring. I'm going to be installing our cabinet, countertop, faucet, all of that. And then we'll finish up with some vinyl plank baseboards and then dropping the toilet in. Here we are. The job is all done. We've got the flooring in. Cabinets are installed, countertop, plumbing. We've got the mirror. Our trim is reinstalled. We replaced that with some nicer, newer stuff. Toilets in. And then we've got these beautiful custom shower doors, which are looking great. You'll notice we've got a pretty unique shower pan here. We call this an infinity drain. Underneath this floor piece, the shower base is sloped. It drains perfectly. We've tested this quite a bit, and maybe we'll get some shots of that running here. If you live in Central Florida and you are interested in having a beautiful job done at a reasonable price, be sure to check us out, homeprobath.com. I work with every customer on every project, so I'll include some details in the description below. We look forward to hearing from you.